Hi, Mitchell Levy, the AHA guy at AHAthat. And I want to talk about the call to action or the CTA. And so, what we actually do is every book we publish, particularly when you get to the Kindle paperback, hardcover versions, page one of the book has the CTA. And this is what happens if somebody actually gets a copy of your book and you don't know who they are. So you're running a Kindle campaign and people download the Kindle or the PDF, or people purchase in vehicles that we don't know the paperback or hardcover. You want to encourage them to take some action. So let me show you two different books and the CTAs that we created. And first one is going to be my book. So this is the book, Being Seen and Being Heard as a Thought Leader. And so on page one of the book is the CTA. And typically we do a green Act Now button to get people to act. And this one, the primary focus to encourage people to watch the TED Talk. So this is a little bit on the longer side. So if you're making one that's bigger, it's way too long. Watch the TED Talk that inspired this book, where I talk about being yourself, active listening, defining your success, and growing the right audience. Expect a handful of ahas when watching and listening to this TED Talk, and then I have the URL. Now that I'm looking at this, I think this is too long, but hey, here's the example, and it is as long, or in this case, a little bit longer as I read out loud. It actually doesn't work for me. So I'll probably redo it in the next version. Let me also show you Laura Sokola's book, which is Maximizing Your Leadership Influence. And her particular call to action, very sweet. So visit, and then she gives her URL, vocalimpactproductions.com/free gift for your free 10-point checklist. Do you speak like a leader? So at that checklist, what you're really doing is encouraging somebody to get there, give you their email address so they could pick up something. And now you've got information and the ability to market to them. And that's really what a call to action is. The goal is to get somebody to give you their phone number or email address because they're requesting something else that's above and beyond the book itself. And look forward to working with you on your book, having a very compelling call to action. Thanks.